In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Sierra chart like TradingView. So the first thing you have to do here to actually change it into where you can go left and right like this by just basically with your left click and just up and down like that. And also you could also zoom in and zoom out down here at the very bottom. And as you can see, this is now pretty similar to what you can actually do on TradingView. To do this, you have to go to Global Settings up top. And you have to then go over here to where it says Tool Settings, and you want to go inside General. Now, inside General, there's three things that are very important. The first thing you want to do is this one, which says after single tool use, change to, and then I have it as hand because I prefer it as hand. So anytime you actually use a single tool, it's going to put you into hand mode. And then after that, it's this one, which basically says right click, exits current drawing tool to, and then hand as well. So just click on here, select hand, and of course the same up here. And then down here at the bottom, I'd like to have both of these on yes, but the most important one is support vertical scaling / movement with hand tool. Okay, so these three are the most important ones. Of course, you can play around with different ones as well, but whenever you click those three, click on apply all and then OK, and you'll be able to see whenever you go into hand mode, you'll be able to just go ahead and kind of move this around. And down here at the very bottom where you can see this scale, you can just hold your left click and you could go to the left or to the right, and that's basically going to zoom it in or zoom it out. Okay, so that's how you can do it. And in case you were wondering how to actually go into hand mode, in case you can't drag around, you should be holding Alt and H on your keyboard. So Alt plus H by default should give you the option to actually use the hand tool. Now, if that's not working for you, you could still go to Global Settings and then customize keyboard shortcuts. And in here, you can go inside Tools. Inside Tools, you have the hand tool, and here you can see basically your shortcut. For me, it's Alt plus H. As you can see, you can change this to whatever you want, Shift, Control, Alt, and then a combination of Control, Alt, and Shift, and of course, a button or a whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.